How to make multiple account on Telegram on PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you to make multiple accounts on Telegram on PC. First of all, download and install the Telegram desktop app from the official Telegram website. And once it has been downloaded on your device, simply you need to open the Telegram desktop application. Make sure that you already have logged in or signed in to your particular account on Telegram. After that, click on the three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings. On the Settings page, click on three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now to add multiple accounts on Telegram on PC, click on Add Account button. You can either scan from mobile Telegram or you can log in using your phone number. So here are the steps given in order to scan this image to log in. But if you want to log in using your phone number, click on this link, add your country's name, the code, and the mobile number that is different from the existing mobile number that has been signed to your Telegram account. After that, click on the next button. You will receive code on your mobile number. You simply need to verify your code, and after that, you need to go through the setup process by looking after the on-screen prompts on your PC. So after that, you can easily use another account as well on your Telegram. In order to switch your account, you can simply go back and click on this three-line menu icon at top left corner. And here you will get your another account as well. You can simply click on that account and use that account as well. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.